Okay Google, turn off relay 1.
Okay, CreateJet 3D, turning off the relay 1.
Hi, this project is voice control home automation. Here we have used Nodemcu as Wi-Fi control. Okay, here we have used Arduino for power supply purpose because we don't have power supply module. That's why we have used this. This is 2-channel relay, and here we are giving power supply to one is for Arduino board and another one is Nodemcu. Now we will see how it works. Okay, now we are going to open Google Assistant. Okay Google, turn on relay 1.
Okay, CreateJet, turning on first relay.
Okay Google, turn off relay 1.
Okay, CreateJet 3D, turning off the relay 1.